This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to use the GOTO command. GOTO command is used to go to a specific page, line, section, field, bookmark, comment, footnote, endnote, table, graphic, equation, object heading, etc. To use GOTO command, follow the given steps. First we will click the Home tab. Click the Find option from the editing group. Here you can see that we have editing group right over here, and then we'll click the Find option, and from here you can see that we can have three options like Find, Advanced Find, and then GOTO. So we'll click on the GOTO option right from here. So viewers, you can see that the Find Replace dialog box opens. This dialog box is known as Find and Replace, and we will select the GOTO option right from here. Now we'll select the category from the GOTO what box and type the value in its adjacent box. Like this is the enter line number, and if we can see that we have multiple options right in the GOTO what section, like page, section, line, bookmark, comment, footnote, endnote, field, table, graphic, equations. So you can see multiple options are available in the GOTO what section. So from here we will select the line option from the GOTO what section, and we will type the line number 7. So when we type number 7 in the enter line number section, so you can see that the definition of the enter line number is that enter plus and minus to move relative to the current location. For example, +4 will move forward 4 items. So now we will click on the GOTO button. The cursor will move to that location like this, and if we change the line number, like if we type 3 over here and press the GOTO button, then we can see that the controlled cursor moves towards the line number 3 of the document. So if we press plus and minus, like if I type +3 right over here and put a plus sign over here with number 3, then we can see it actually add 3 numbers to the line number 3, like that we are right at the line number 6. And if we type minus with the digit 3, then it will take us to the line number 3 where we were in the beginning. So this way, if we want to go to the end of the document, like we are right at the line number 3 of this document, and we are going to go to the line number, the last line number, then we can count how many line numbers are there. This is line number 3, this is 4, this is 5 and 6, and this is called 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we will actually type line number 10 over here and press the GOTO button. So you can see, viewers, that we are right at the bottom line of this document. And if you want to go to the first line, we'll type 1 over here in the enter line number section, and we'll press the GOTO button right like this, and now we can see that we are at the top line of this document. So we can click the close button to close the dialog box accordingly. So that's all, and thanks for watching.